Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing my tutorial on how to recover Yahoo Mail password. This is a topic that many people might find useful. Especially if they've forgotten your password and cannot seem to remember it. Don't worry, it's easier than you think to find. If it is you're interested in learning how to do this, please don't forget to like and share this video. Let's get started. Welcome to my channel, Dabjar Vlogs. If you're new here, we share online tips, tricks, and tutorial. Subscribe now for new content on removing ads, viruses, Gmail file storage, and more tutorial in our playlist. Now see you're logged into your new laptop. You realize you've forgotten your Yahoo password. Don't panic. We've got a solution for that. So start now. First, go to your phone home screen and open Google Chrome. Tap it. In the search bar, here, just type how to recover Yahoo Mail password and tap it. After, zoom in. And now, in the upper part of your cell phone, there is a three dot and below your profile. Just tap your profile and select Manage your account. Tap it. After, here's the result. Welcome, Bukag Dionisio. There is a profile in the upper portion. There is a security. Just tap security. And scroll up and find password manager here. Tap it. Now here in the password manager inside, you'll see all the password saved in your Google account and find Yahoo Mail password and tap in the I symbol. So now scroll up and zoom in and I see Yahoo Mail password. Yahoo Mail and then tap it. After, use your passkey and now tap to continue. You see your passkey to confirm it's really you. So, tap to continue. After, use your screen lock. Use PIN. Tap natin ang PIN and enter your PIN and enter. After, and find now your Yahoo Mail password. And now, we can see you'll find a Yahoo Mail password. So, remember, don't panic once you forgotten your Yahoo password because I teach you the solution to your problem. So now, tap in the I symbol like that and you can see the Yahoo Mail password. So that's it. Once you got the Yahoo Mail password, after that, it's the easy to find a forgotten Yahoo password. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial.